In this video, we will discuss student entry expectations. Each student level is held to a different standard as far as expectations of knowledge and know-how. Our BSW junior interns are expected to be entry level. Students come into the agency placement with experience in agencies through volunteering. With that being said, this is many of the students' first placements where they have opportunities to serve clients directly. The focus of our BSW interns is to learn from professionals. This process may begin with shadowing, but it's expected that eventually they will move on to practicing skills with engagement and assessment. During this placement, the students are limited in service delivery. They must complete 100 hours in one semester, which averages to approximately 8 hours per week. Our BSW senior interns are expected to have begun developing proficiency in the generalist practice. They should be able to demonstrate a competency in the generalist practice by the end of completion of this internship. The students should be able to fully apply all phases of the generalist intervention model. These phases include engagement, assessment, planning, implementation, evaluation, termination, and follow-up on micro, meso, and macro levels. The students should also be able to demonstrate a competency in research, policy, and client advocacy. The BSW seniors must complete 225 hours per semester for 2 consecutive semesters, which averages about 18 to 20 hours per week. Our MSW generalist interns are held to the same competency levels as the BSW senior interns, but they are expected to be much more proficient. The only difference is the MSW generalists must complete 240 hours in one summer session, which is approximately 24 hours per week. MSW clinical interns will have completed the foundational coursework and will be transitioning from a generalist lens to a clinical one. It is assumed that the student has a proficiency in generalist skills, research, policy, and advocacy. The focus of the clinical placement is to develop a proficiency in clinical skills in the student's concentration, which is either health or mental health and addictions. These students average 24 hours per week with a total of 350 hours per semester for 2 consecutive semesters. Again, any questions or concerns can be directed to the Department of Social Work at ISU.